gonna be so much better than last year's.
I want to, but I don't want to go alone. I'm here for us, but I'm here to go alone. This is the last festival we were going to college.
Oh my god, there's like millions of guys dying to go with you. But you won't give any of them the time of day.
It's because I'm waiting for a specific guy to ask me out, but I don't think he will.
Tell me, and I'll make sure he asks you.
No! I'm just in bed! I know!
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Nothing, just the homework!
You guys excited for the festival or no?
Heck yes!
I don't know. I might not go this year.
Why not? It'll be fun. You should really consider it.
I'll see. Well, I have to go see this.
Isn't Autumn just one of the cutest girls ever?
Anyways, when are you going to ask her to the Festival of Lights?
I'm not sure, but all I know is that it'll to be extra spectacular. One that I'll sure remember forever.
Sounds awesome. If you need any help with asking her, just let me know.
Thanks. I'll let you know if I have any troubles.
Bye.
Please! Just tell me who you like!
Okay! Fine!
Of course, he'll tell me.
Okay.
What? Really?
Yes.
Oh, well, I have to go. Bye. What?
Okay, bye. Oh!
Oh, sorry, Autumn.
It's okay.
Do you want to go to the Festival of Lights?
Oh! Of course, Peter! Oh, God!
Oh, I was so nervous. I'm so glad you said yes.
Where'd you go?
Wow! You're beautiful. So, what do you want to do first?
Anything's fine.
Are you having fun, baby?
Just call me baby.
Yeah. Sorry.
Don't worry. I like it.
I have to tell you something.
What is it?
Like, for a really long time now, I was wondering if you want to be my girlfriend.
Yes, yes. Of course I would.
Oh god, 'tis a dream come true. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky to have a girl like you in my life. Finally.